All right, so we're back with another video. We are reviewing Warheads Sour Raspberry Soda. And we have Sour Apple Warheads drink. And we have our little bitty cups. Teacups. I don't know if we're going to use those big cups. So, first up is, what do you want to do?
You can do the green one.
Okay. So, first we're going to do the Sourhead apple, green apple. And here we go.
Okay.
Woo. Woo, Josh. It's really sour.
Very sour.
Very sour. Woo. This is straight sour.
Straight, like, straight sour. That's it. A little appley, but just imagine putting a sour apple in your mouth.
Yeah, I don't taste you know how Warhead is like sour than sweet? I don't know. That's too sour. All right, this one is sour raspberry, blue raspberry. Are you gonna use the same cup? I'm gonna use a different one. That's enough. All right. And this one I'm waiting on. This is a little sour too. I'm waiting on the sweetness. You know how Warhead goes from sweet to sour? From sour to sweet. What you think?
Well, it's got a blue raspberry taste, and then I'd say the Warhead was way more like sour than the blue raspberry. But the blue raspberry, it's you could taste a little sourness in it though.
All right, so here we go. If we would give this a 1 to 10, 1 being like, yay, we're going to get it again. 0 will probably be, 0 is the worst. I'll probably say, I would give it probably about a 1. I will not get this again. It was just sour.
Very sour. Probably something kids and teenagers would love though, but as for me, yeah, I'm going to have to pass.
Yeah, pass. We out.